Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to calculate the double declining balance depreciation of an asset by using DDB function in Excel. All I got to do is use this data like the asset cost of 1 million, salvage value of 10,000. Salvage value is the value of an asset at the end of its service life. Then I got useful life of 5 years, factor of 1.5. The factor is being used to make the depreciation declining over time. So I'm going to start by using the DDB. This is a straightforward or simple formula that I'm using here. So first thing is the DDB or double declining balance, then open parenthesis, and then we're going to get the asset cost of 1 million, then comma, then 10,000 salvage value, comma, then I'm gonna get the 5 years useful life, comma, and then I'm gonna get the first year depreciation, which is the number one here, and then comma, and then the last one is the factor of 1.5. Then I'm gonna close it. Then in order for me to be able to copy it down, I'm gonna lock all the cells by inserting dollars. Okay, so to make it absolute cell reference. Okay, I'm gonna put dollar sign here. Then on the salvage value also dollar sign. On 5 years useful life dollar sign. And then last is the factor. Double click and then dollar sign. Then enter. As you can see, I got 300,000 first year depreciation. Some companies are doing it on a monthly basis, payment of the depreciation cost. All you get to do is divide it into 12 months in order for you to be able to get monthly payment of the depreciation, or rather the monthly cost of depreciation. Then I'll just copy it down for the rest of the year, right? So as you can see, depreciation decreases over time. As the asset gets older, the depreciation cost also getting smaller. Okay, so that's it for today. And thank you for watching. See you next time.